You can hear me. This is Annette with Annette S. Pierce's Homestead of Ohio. Look at this rain. Look at that. It's pouring down sheets of rain. Wow. Look at that. And look at that over there. Look at this.
Oh, rain.
Yeah.
I gotta get ready for the rain.
It's kind of like we got a waterfall.
Yeah. My apartment's gonna be flooded down there.
I know. Wow, look at this. Look at this. It looks like a little waterfall right there. Wow. And this looks like a sheet of rain right there. It is pouring down the rain. Wow. Really pouring down the rain. And it's loud too. Wow. It is pouring down the rain. Amazing. Wow. It is pouring down the rain. Wow. Check this out. That is a waterfall right there. Wow, look at that. That's how hard it is raining here in Middleport, Ohio. I mean, it is just pouring completely down as hard as it can go. Our sidewalks and stuff are the rain spouts. Wow, check this out. Sidewalk is flooded. The yard down there is flooded. Look at that. That is so pretty. It looks like a built-in waterfall. Look, our sidewalk. Look, it's flooded. It floods. Oops, got rainwater. It floods right there. To the point where you get your feet wet when you walk through there. Look at that. Wow. Not's trying to slack off a little bit. Still looks like a sheet of rain right here. It's so cool. I'm glad I got this on video. It is raining. It's kind of slacking off now, so y'all have a good evening. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all on the next video.